Fundamentals are very important for learning any core skills or the concepts. Today we are diving into one of the most important topic in the design world, which is the fundamentals of UX design. Whether you are a beginner, a designer restarting your journey, or someone curious about how great products are made, this video is for you. Welcome to the Design and UX channel. I am Pavani Priya Sajja, a UX designer with 8 years of experience across designing user-friendly products. I specialized in research and design, and I am currently exploring the tech space to learn about fast emerging technologies, particularly in AI. I also contribute my skills to various open source projects. Over the years, I gained a lot of skills and knowledge, and I wanted to share my experience through this channel so that both new and experienced designers can learn and grow in the UX field. I am posting videos again after a long time, and I am excited to share what I know with all of you. I am trying to post new videos regularly. I am creating a video tutorial for a complete UX design course, from foundational concepts to the advanced real-world topics. This course covers all major areas of UX design, along with the latest trends, resources, and practical assignments to help you build strong industry-ready skills. By the end of the course, you will work on hands-on projects that you can showcase in your portfolio. You will also learn how to build and present your UX portfolio effectively. This is the first video of a UX design course. This course is completely project oriented, so you will learn theory and the project step by step. Like one video is about theory and another is about practical projects, or the video is contain of both. So now let's jump into the video. UX design stands for user experience design. To understand this UX design concept, let me explain by using the real world example of an online shopping application. So Christmas is around the corner, and imagine that I wanted to buy a home decor item, especially if I am interested in buying a lightning reindeer. Here is my journey. So first, I search Google for reindeer decoration. Then I find an online shopping application. Then I browse through different options. I find the perfect reindeer lightning decoration. My fifth step is I'm going to add into the cart. The sixth one is I complete the purchase and enter my delivery address. And the final one is my order is confirmed and it's on the way. So this entire process, from searching to receiving the confirmation, is what we call the user experience. In this process, how do I feel? Am I placing the order smoothly, or any obstacles that I am facing while placing the order? On the other hand, UX design also focuses on functionality. Let me explain this by using the online shopping application. The functionality, which refers to what an application can do, the future actions, capabilities it provides to users to help them accomplish tasks. In this online shopping application, the placement of a button, the order of information, the web page response, timing of the micro interactions, and calmness or chaos of a flow. These functionalities determine whether users feel good or lost, understood or confused. There are different design methods and approaches regarding the project requirement and the needs, such as a design thinking methodology or user-centered design. I started UX design by applying a UX-centered design approach to my first portfolio project, and I believe that it covers the core concept of UX design. So in this video, we are going to focus on the user-centered approach for the process. It consists of understanding your user and then do the research and then design and then test. And again, this whole process repeats. We will be using different tools throughout this project, such as Google Suite for documentation and presentation, Figma for most of the project deliverables, and Miro for research analysis. We will also use the latest AI tools. As we move through each topics, we'll use these tools and I will explain how they work in dedicated task-based videos. I'll also show you exactly how I use them in my workflows. Finally, you might have a better understanding on what UX design is. This is the broad field focused on creating meaningful, usable, and delightful experiences for users. Let's go over the disciplines inside the UX. UX design. The overall craft of designing the user experiences focus on flows, wireframes, usability, and overall product experience. The next one is user research, the discipline of understanding users through interviews, surveys, usability testing, field studies, help teams make informed and evidence-based decisions. Third, information architecture. Information architecture is how we organize and structure content so users can find things easily. Navigation menus, categories, sitemaps. If your app feels confusing, the information architecture is usually the reason. Interaction design defines how users interact with the product. This includes button, gestures, animations, micro interactions, and the overall flow. Every tap, swipe, or click should feel natural and predictable. Wireframes. Wireframes are the basic layout of your app or website. They help you plan structure without worrying about colors or visuals. Low fidelity wireframes are quick sketches, while high fidelity ones show more detail. Prototyping. Prototyping simulate how the product works before development. They can be simple click-through drafts or realistic high-fidelity mock-ups. Prototypes help you get feedback early and fix issues before coding begins. UI design, which means user interface design. The visual layer of the product focuses on colors, typography, layout, visual hierarchy, components, and note here, UX and UI are related to each other. For example, if you are using online shopping application, in that UX is all about the functionality, where UI is focused on how the application will look like. Design system, a structured collection of reusable components and rules, which includes components, patterns, guidelines, tokens, ensure consistency and scalability across teams and products. Usability testing. After designing, we test the product with real users. Usability testing helps us understand what confuses them, where do they struggle, what can be improved. Remember, users always reveal things we don't expect. Next, accessibility. Accessibility ensures your product works for everyone, including people with disabilities. This includes good color contrast, clear labels, keyboard navigation, larger tab areas, and screen reader support. Now, the final one is collaboration and handoff. So, as UX designers, we work closely with developers, product managers, and stakeholders. Clear communication and clear handoff in tools like Figma make development smoother. So, that's your complete overview of the fundamentals of UX design. To strengthen the learning, I have prepared a practical assignment. This will help you apply the concepts we have discussed in this video. Also, I will walk you through the assignments for fundamentals of UX design concept based. So, yes, exciting. This is the first assignment. The first assignment is about ordering the food. So, in this assignment, I have created a 7 steps for you so you can feel the real experience while you are ordering the food. So, let's walk through the step by step. Step 1, think about which recipe you would like to order online. The step 2, select the application from browser and explain why you chose it. Step 3, order your favorite dish and describe the entire process from beginning to end. Step 4, write what you like the most when ordering the food. Step 5, write what you don't like when ordering the food. And step 6, if you will get a chance to build a food ordering application, what are the features or what are the future requirements that how you are going to create it. 7th one, takeaways from this entire task, which means what you have learned from this entire task. So, see, now you are starting to think as a UX designer. Please complete your first assignment and share it in the comment section with answers. From the overall responses assignments, I will choose one of the best assignment answers and share it in my next video, as well as give you feedback on that assignment. So please don't forget to add your assignment in the comment section. Also, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this video with someone who want to learn UX. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.